Knock it off with your air horn toy, you Maryland Porch Slug. Currently, it's 12:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time where you live on Tuesday morning, April 6, 2021. You're doing yet another drama panel hangout, and you're blowing an air horn on your front porch at 12:30 in the morning, loud enough to wake up your neighbors and definitely your family. Now, why the hell is your wife dealing with this? Why are you subjecting your 3 children, your 3 sons, to this, including a baby or a toddler? Why are you subjecting them to an air horn in all hours of the night? I mean, you'd say the BERGS is loud. I'm in a very, very well insulated and thick-walled garage when I play the guitar. An air horn is way louder. You're out of your mind. What do you think this is? The 4th of July? What's next? You gonna light off fireworks? What do you think this is? A soccer game? Where people do air horns? Or a hockey game in the NHL back in the 1970s? At the Maple Leaf Gardens in Toronto, Canada? Where they would have air horns everywhere? Are you out of your mind? Sitting on your front porch, you've smoked one too many dabs of wax. Okay? It's time that you take a break. Huh? But you can't, because you love the drama. You air horn slug. I cannot believe that Sarah puts up with this. And I cannot believe you subject your kids to a loud air horn in the middle of the night. You're waking them up. How dare you? You are a terrible father. With that being said, BERGS is out.